Premium banner stand accessories are a unique addition to any premium banner stand and provide style and functionality. Attaching the literature pocket accessory is simple. Start by attaching the short piece of aluminum extrusion to the long extrusion piece, sliding the locking mechanism into the channel on the side. Use the Allen tool to tighten the lock a quarter turn into place. Slide the plastic banner stand channel bracket over the bottom of the long extrusion until it is aligned. Place the cam lock into the channel of the banner stand and use the Allen key to lock. Finish by hooking the top of the literature pocket into the channel on the top. To attach your tabletop, start by sliding the T-shaped extrusion in the bottom of the tabletop. Repeat the previous steps to connect your pieces together and to insert into the base of the banner stand.